please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Today is a big day. I mean, in Dehradun, I understand that there are more than 50,000 participants. I have a friend who's there for the Yoga Day celebrations as well. As the Prime Minister Modi said, from Dehradun to Dublin, yoga has become such an international phenomenon, right?
Oh, yes, it's it's become a bit of a craze, and it's good that something like this is getting its due.
Yeah.
Let's put it that way. So
Anuj, yoga is all about discipline. And surprisingly, yesterday, that's the word that came to my mind, even thinking of the market. It's also become almost as disciplined.
Yes.
You know, as if on trot, on cue, it'll turn from 10,700. On cue, it'll turn from 10,800. So what do you think of what's going on?
Yes, and Surabhi, what is interesting is, for example, yesterday, we were talking about only the FI outflow. Yesterday, after a big rally, the FI sell number was even more. But now we're not talking about it because the market was up. So the short point is the market bounced back from a key support, 20-day moving average. That is something that we referred to in the morning, that it was a 20-day moving average. So perhaps shorting was not the best strategy. The only problem with yesterday's move is it was narrow. HDFC Twins and Reliance accounted for 45 out of 61 Nifty points. If you were to take those out, the market would have had a nothing kind of day. Advanced decline was 1:1, mid caps were quite okay. So essentially, this market is in a range. For the last 6 months, it's gone nowhere. It's been stuck at around current levels. In between, of course, it's gone to 11,000 and it's gone to 10,400 thereabout. But boundaries are being respected. The range is 10,700 to 800. Now, the markets made, if you were to believe yesterday's big move, the markets now made a higher bottom once again. Can it make a higher top? For that to happen, you'll need to cross 10,856, close above it. If that happens, then I think a fresh breakout is on. Now, also, the issue is the bank nifty is very strong because of HDFC Bank ahead of QIP and ICICI Bank after that, Chanda Kochhar issue. So these two are really supporting the bank nifty, and at every lower level, you're seeing buying emerge in ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. So that way, the bank nifty is being supported. Today's though the weekly options expiry. I think a big move already happened yesterday. Perhaps today you consolidate around the current mark and then a move at around 3 p.m. if at all. Let's see. The move was not backed by institutional volumes yesterday, so still remains a bit suspect. And FIs have created shorts at higher levels. So I would want to see if there's any kind of follow through or this short covering. But this is not a market in which, again, I want to make a point, you take aggressive positions. Just like yesterday, you should not have taken aggressive longs home. Day before, you should not have taken aggressive shorts home. Either you do, intraday trading, or you make a core portfolio of the, the HDFC Twins and the Bajaj Finances of the world, as we've been saying ad nauseum, and respect what the market is.